If you're watching this right now, I have a message from God that you need to hear. He is saying to you, do not tell anyone what I'm about to show you because people are going to lose their mind. This act of provision, this supernatural thing that God is about to do in your life through your dreams, through your visions, through your heart and your mind is unique to you. So it is a secret between you and God, almost like this is something that He has been planning for so long that if you tried to tell anyone about it, they wouldn't believe you. They would think you're crazy. And this type of light is so blinding to those who are unwilling to see. So, this is going to bring about a lot of change in your life. This is going to be something that is highly impactful. Like, this is supernatural provision. So, I don't want you to tell anyone about it, especially at first, because it really does bring out a lot of creatures of the night that you don't want to deal with. This is like snakes in the grass. These are people who want to exploit you, to take advantage of your light and almost steal it. People are very insidious when they see someone burning so brightly. And when God imparts this gift onto you, this blessing, you are going to become highly visible. And this is going to happen naturally. So I want you to just let this unfold so organically and to not let anyone poo poo on it. Don't let anyone make any negative comment about what is going to happen because this is the type of faith that most people won't understand. And this is what is being rewarded at this time. So when you invite people into this and you tell them what's happening, they almost want to ruin it for you and it disconnects you from God and it stops the blessings that He wants to put into your life on a constant basis. When you are being elevated, people are going to become jealous and they will want to take it from you. So, this is why it's important not to tell anyone and to just keep living your life as if it is normal. Because this is also a test. This is about remaining humble and true to yourself and true to God, that this type of provision doesn't change you. It's not something to be boastful about. You still show up as a humble servant who knows that this is given to you as a means of stewardship to prove to God that you are someone who is loyal and willing to take His blessings and to work with them, to use them as resources, to multiply them. And so people who come and ruin this will put a wedge in His plan. And so I want you to be wary of this, to know that nobody in your life has a place in your life if they are jealous of you, if they are critical of you, if they are petty, even if it's just a joke. I want you to get rid of them. I know that it's hard, but this is how you find the people who will support you, who help usher in a new age because they're not scornful, they're not petty, they're not envious, they're not jealous in any way. And their sins don't overshadow your glory or God's glory because this is about being someone who only surrounds themselves with good things. And so this is why it's important not to tell anyone about this, because the people who are naturally supposed to be in your life, who don't want to use you or exploit you, will see your visibility and want to be a part of it, to share in it and to reciprocate and to help you advance God's kingdom here on earth. The people who will come out of the woodwork will try to ruin it, they'll try to take it from you, and so you no longer allow that into your life. And it starts by not telling anyone about what's about to happen. Okay, so just shine in your authority, and these people will naturally fall away, and you'll naturally call in the people who are meant to be in your life, who have the network, the support system, the resources, the influence, the impact, and together you will change the world. So just allow this to happen so naturally and remain humble but vigilant about the change that is going to come in. protect it at all costs, and don't let anyone ruin it for you because you deserve this. So I want you to claim this. I want you to put amen in the comments. Let me know if this resonates or if this was helpful. If you want to support this channel, I want to support you too. And there are some options linked in the description as well as the pinned comments, including an invitation to join the temple within, my online sanctuary. We grow together, walk the righteous path, and we connect with God outside of dogmatic theology, outside of religion, and outside of evil forces of control. So I hope that you'll join me, and I'd be so honored to help you on your journey. I love you so, so, so much. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos almost every single day to help you on your journey, and I'll see you in the next one.